on the technique tip and trick, and it's been always the authentic one to definitely seal from a flat back to the 3D. When you're using a 3D crystal, you seal it in between edges of the crystals, which definitely is a game changer. So then clients will never have to worry about like coming back and complain about. And also you can use it if you want to do her, instead of you put her last glue on it for the unicorn using a condensed glue gel, you can definitely using precision glue and adheres for smaller crystal on the her eyelids. So Kia for 60 seconds. So this one, so don't add it on. If you have $150 order, it is going to be go home with you. So do not add it on, because you add it on, you have to pay for it, but you don't need to add it on.
Oh, that's awesome, Serenity.
Thank you, Robin. It's
that's awesome, Skyla. Skyla says her mom keeps telling her crystals aren't going anywhere.
That is so awesome.
Exactly. All right, I'll try
Nick,
not to cover these up
stop
too much.
ignoring. Nick, what happened, Nick?
Did I miss something? Hold on. I can't see it.
Let me see. Vicky, stop showing off.
Let's
It's
see.
not on the site. We can't get. What is you can't get it? Huh?
That's what's good about being a BA. You get it first. Yay.
Huh? No.
The glow in the dark.
The glow in the dark.
The butterfly in the circle set. Yes, I think
The,
have them up?
the glow in the dark is up there now.
Yep. So check your new arrival. Nick. I think it's there.
It is?
Good job.
Are you sure?
Are you sure? Are you sure?
You sure? We'll just double check. We're like stocking it up for everyone.
Nick says, I'm about ready to keep my money and pay a bill.
Nick, so is this up there? I think Nick, I'm sorry. Was Nick's the last conversation with with talk? It was Nick said, Nancy, you want money or not? That's it. Oh, the glow in the dark. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Nick was keep looking down and doing crystal placement because there's that unicorn. It take me so much time because dressing her up and lashes on for her. So she's not there.
Yes, somewhere.
Maybe in the neon glow in the dark, dramatic glitter.
I'm going to put one more coat of condensed because you can still see these are still exposed. So don't have your light
Nick,
anywhere
hold
near
still.
open brush.
We are going to check it.